Hi, I'm Woody Zool, and I'd like to invite you to Beyond Agile Israel 2018, February 8th. I'm going to be facilitating a pre-conference workshop I call Beyond Estimates. Let's explore the possibilities. The default use of an estimate-driven approach is pervasive, and while estimates can be useful, it's worthwhile to frequently scrutinize our practices and to seek better ways. I've seen a lot of dysfunction around estimates, and perhaps you have as well. In this workshop, we're challenging our long-held notions about estimates and estimation, and we'll explore what might be beyond estimates. We'll strive to gain a better understanding of what estimates are and how we use and misuse them. And with that foundation, we'll move on to examine the nature of software development and why estimates often don't serve us as well as we wish they would. Finally, we'll go on to consider other ways to approach our work. I hope that you can join us, and I'm sure that you'll find it interesting, fun, and useful. Thanks.